Hello everyone, with Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is February Part 4 Patreon for 2025. We look at D&D, Warhammer, and Figure for your STL 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And yeah, and all the links will be down for you guys as well. So we got Officer Rue, another figure one as well. This is what we're going to have for February. That is in progress. Yeah. From was it Powerpuff Girls? The one receptionist for the mayor. And we got San as well. And Idobi. But there's gonna be a lot more coming out. Looks like two more after this one's done. You got Safe Chan. I am not really going to show you guys much of this. But yeah. If you're into furry, I'm really not, but like Pokemon furry and stuff like that, you guys can go look at a link down below for your guys' eyes only. Let's see here. Got Pites Chronicles. I just want to see the new set. I think this would be it. Pirates Chronicles. We got Mind Flayers and the Monkey. Pirate Mind Flayers. Shark. Two-headed humanoids. Orc and another shark folk. Part Sailor Woman. Looks like a Dragonborn. Orc. And a human. But yeah, it's all about pirates and stuff. Looks like it. That's coming up to be for your set. You got your mermaids. Just very weird selection of them, and you got your throwback as well. We got Elaborate Wolf. If you like one actual animal prints, I think this is the guy you want to get. So you got a catfish. You probably get the resin or filament. You also got rats as well, and birds and so forth. You can actually make it scale smaller to make familiars in your game, or print big and put out for your front of your garden. Print and paint miniatures. Let's see what we got for this one. We got Mind Flayers. Looks like it's coming out. A fish cook. So far, looks like Cthulhu and a witch. So yeah, that'll be Sea Scourge. Wait. There you go. Sewer Rat. February is the more Skaven type. We actually got Rat Ogre now and Rat Swarm. Looks like we got a catapult, right? I believe, or I don't know what the hell this is supposed to be, but yeah. Looks like I got some rat monks. We need rat monks, even though Warhammer discontinued it. I am pretty soon gonna be painting my Skaven tides very soon. Beasteria, another like this grim dark style, like Elden Ring and Dark Souls style figures for D&D. Or you have the Dark Soul board game. Gosh, add this guy's in too. So you got Traveler the Endless, so some Eldrazi. Traveler the Bearer of Burden. Traveler the Magal Gan. And the Traveler up on top. And we get the Dark Denizen, so like dark-ish clown style. And we have your heroes as well. Artisan Guild. This time we're getting a lot of Beholder and Specters for this. Let's see if we get some videos for it. We try and get the good part. Human Arcanist. This kind of looks. Human Shield Warden Draconic. Alcohol Mimic Bounty Hunter. Oh, so it's like a Minotaur. And we got freaking Mind Beholders. I like that instead of using the flying marker, using little buildings to prop them up and rocks. That's actually pretty smart. A lot of time you see those clear plastic, you're like, for it. Yeah, another big ass beholder. Yeah, beholders are great, but you can do the little eye thing too. That's actually kind of cool. Mall stalker. I remember these guys. They're not as nasty. If you have gems or precious earth minerals, they'll leave you. Give it to them. They'll leave you alone. But a lot of times they're like, "What the hell is that?" And just try to attack it. Oh nope. Oh, roper. Oh, that's kind of cool. A roper that looks like the actual pillar itself. Oh, that's kind of cool looking. You got your weapons and stuff. That'll be it. Uh, bite the bullet. I think we're getting more clowns. This 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 thing. Let's see here. So bite the bullets. So we got a horror circus. This is I think a fiend. Horrors. It's a contortionist, spider trainer contortionist. That's it. Yeah. That looks like the hog guy from the junkie hog clown. There's it or Pennywise, a Harley Quinn monster. There's your Jin, the diviner. What the hell's that? Mutation jester. Ugh. Ringmaster with like a little grotesque tumor. That's here. Dwarf fire juggler. This one is halfling dagger thrower. Gnome tamer. And this is the exotic one, Madam Whip. Back to that. White werewolf. I think that's what would be for February. Can I download it? Oh yeah, I can. Oh yes, I'm gonna download that later. This is February. Gilded Wrath. So I think this is like a guild top style, I guess. So it's coming soon. Releasing Hammerage. Mayor 4 chart. The Dread Artisan. I think it's a Goliath Artisan. Guardian of the Golden Flames. Iron Tusk Enforcer set. Those were what you call orcs used to be, but they just changed the looks on it so much now. Golden Loom Crawler. So I think you're gonna have to have that kind of. No, it's gonna be hard to do that. You got the Sons of the Shining Forge. They kind of look like the one from Mandalorian. It's like I have spoken. Scrap bot set. Vault mimic. And your bust. And your welcome pack as well. Anyhow, I think that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page at Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day.